This video is going to show how to incorporate gain into a SPICE simulation with analog behavioral models, or ABMs, in OrCAD PSpice Designer. Analog behavioral models allow you to use mathematical expressions to model circuit functionality instead of defining all the required components. ABMs can be used to quickly model basic functions like addition, subtraction, gain, and multiplication, instantaneous power, limiters, Laplace transforms, Chebyshev filters, mathematical functions, custom expressions, and more. Open the provided design in PSpice Designer. Select Place, Component from the menu. In the Unified CIS tab, expand the PSpice category and select Simulator Command. Scroll down and select the part with name param. Right-click and select Place. Click to place the parameter list in the schematic. Right-click and select End Mode. Right-click the list and select Edit Properties. In the Property Editor tab, select New Property. Enter Gain for the property name and 2 for the value. Check the option for Display On-Off to show the property in the schematic. Click OK. The Display Properties window opens. Select Name and Value under Display Format and click OK. Click Apply and close the Property Editor tab. Back in the Unified CIS tab, select the PSpice Analog Behavioral Models folder in the Categories list. This folder contains basic mathematical blocks, formula-based parts, and frequency shaping parts such as filters. Select the PSpice folder. Enter E-value into the search field and press Enter. Right-click the E-value part and select Place. Click to place the part in the empty space in the schematic. Right-click and select End Mode. Double-click the predefined expression to change it. Enter the expression ABS V in plus in minus times gain and click OK. Select PSpice New Simulation Profile from the menu. Name the profile Trans and click Create. Set the run-to time to 30 milliseconds. Leave the other settings as the default and click OK. Select the voltage level marker button from the toolbar. Click to place probes at the input and output of the circuit. Right-click and select End Mode. Select PSpice Run from the menu. View the simulation results. The output is a rectified sine wave with twice the peak voltage of the input as defined in the expression. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.